right here. Give you a quick update on the HPI 5SC Super Flux. I installed the Alza Racing center diff mount for the 5SC Super Flux. What this does, it eliminates the, takes out the transmission, which is right here. So locked in by 3 gears. Bring this open for you guys real quick. It has this 3-piece transmission in here. As you can see, the center diff was right here. I took this out. This is the center diff that was in here. So you use this. I use this the spare gear from my another center diff that I had. So you keep these out drives that was on the original center diff. So it gives you a little bit of space to connect the dog bones. Otherwise, the dog bones will be too short with your stock center diff. Notice all this a little bit complicated. Hopefully it makes a little bit of sense. So I installed that on there. This center diff mount gives you the option to run different motors, all the way up to 1717. So you can run from 15 series motors to 1717. It also gives you a lot of room with the gearing. So the trucks will definitely be a lot faster now that I changed the center diff mount. I did put it on, depending on yesterday, did a little testing. I did Loctite it, so when I took it out, it came off. No biggie. Let's see if I can get the truck flipped over for you guys real quick with one hand. Okay. This is the top of the truck. We got the Mamba XLX ESC Res 8S. We got an 8S Ripper Killer cat pack in there. So this thing should definitely move. Just giving you guys a quick update on it. I'll probably gear it down a little bit just to test it out. But other than that, this body's ready to go. Bad boy's ready to go. Got the Castle motor. 15, 18, 1800 kV. Should be a beast. Other than why is that? I got my spare gear back on the low C5T. So this is ready to go as well. Just need to do some testing with this. Hopefully I can get this out this week. Just giving you guys a quick update on projects I was working on the weekend. With that Alza Racing center diff, definitely looks really beefy in there. So that should be pretty nice. Gotta finish up some stuff on the 5T. Gotta send this MGM ESC back as well that I totaled. So I'll be sending this back to them hopefully sometime this week. Get this repaired. Get the fly ESC in this one. Get this all linked up. Other than that, just a few things I'm working on. I was working on the week. Lost some screws, a couple screws on the back there, so I need to replace some screws on that. But other than that, that's the stuff I was working on. Peace, I'm out. Hey, what's going on, fellas? I got the HPI 5SC Super Flux with the Alza Racing center diff in there. This is a 15, 18, 800 kV truggy motor. This has the Mamba XLX ESC. Just gonna give it a quick test run, see to make sure everything's working right. tighten everything up. Should get test runs up really soon. Should be very explosive. Peace for now.